Experiencing issues with split screen on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this problem. Stay tuned for quick solutions to ensure your split screen functionality works seamlessly on your system. Press Windows+I to open the Settings app. Go to System and click on Multitasking. Now switch the toggle button to enable the Snap Windows option and click on it to see a drop-down menu with all the detailed splitting scenarios. Press Windows+R to open Run, type dvmgmt.msc in the text field, and hit Enter. Expand the display adapters entry, right-click on the graphics adapter, and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open the Task Manager, go to the Details tab, and locate the Explorer.exe task. Once you have found it, right-click on it and choose End Task. Now go to File and choose Run New Task. Enter Explorer and click OK. Press Windows+S to open the search bar, type CMD, right-click on the result, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the following commands one at a time, and hit Enter after each to run the DISM tool. Similarly, execute the following command to run the SFC scan. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.